Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to edit list in Google Maps. This is very easy and simple. Now let's follow me. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Then find out the list. For this, tap on this search bar and then tap on more. You can also find your list another way. This is here. Tap on this U button. See here, this is all of your list. Now, if you edit a list, first select which list you want to edit. For example, to edit test 2. For this, tap on this 3-dot icon, then tap on edit list. See here, you can change the name in this. You can also give description for this list. You can also change icon from this, and also you can change cover photo and etc. After editing all of this stuff, then tap on save. See here, the list is saved and edited. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.